Okay, so today, guys, we're going to have a look at the product principle, also known as the multiplication principle, depending on where you're from. Mean the same thing, product and multiplication, though. Now, this product principle is really important in decisions that happen where there's multiple options. Okay, so as you can see in this example, we're traveling between 3 countries here, and we've got a few options to go between each. So if we go from our blue country to our red, we've got 3 pathways. From our red to our green, we've got 2 more pathways. So the product principle gives us a rule to work out how many total options we have to get from the blue to our eventual destination, the green country. So let's trace out the possible paths we can take from our original country down to our green. So we can go up top and then again up top. So we've got, that is our first one, we've got 1. Now we can also take a path that goes up the top and then down beneath, and you can see these are different. They start off the same, but they are different. So that's our second option. We have a third option, as if we go through the middle and then up the top, or we could go through the middle and down below. And a couple more options. We could go down to start with and then up. That's option number 5. And our final option, we could go double down. Okay, so we have a total of 6 options here. Okay, so we've worked out the 6 possible options. Now, the trick to this, and you don't have to color them in every time, but we can notice that there's 3 pathways in the first and 2 in the second. Now, if we multiply those numbers, we will get 6, which is the same as what we worked out. And that's the product principle. So if you have a certain amount of paths reaching a point and then another amount of paths from there, you just multiply those together and you get your answer. So 3 multiplied by 2 is 6, and you don't have to color in each of those pathways. Now I just want to quickly touch on the sum principle, which is related to the product principle, and we'll see why. So sum, as it indicates, is going to involve addition. Now what we're going to do is we're going to work out how to get from A to B. Now if we originally take this top path, we have 2 options. If we take the next highest path, we've got 2 here and 2 here. So remember, we have to multiply those from the product rule. If we go down another one, we've got 2, and then down the lowest path, we've got 2 and then 3. So the way we work out the total number of paths we could take from A to B is the top path is 2 plus the second path, which we'll use the product rule to multiply by 2. Then we add the next one, which is just 2 again, and then add the bottom path 2 multiplied by 3. So we get 2 plus 2 times 2 is 4, plus 2 plus 6. So that's a total of 14 paths, and that is the sum principle. Okay, so thanks for that, and I'd just like to shout out Mr. B for throwing that piece of rubbish at me halfway through this video. Thank you.